Welcome to my honest review of the Libertex Brokerage platform, where I'll guide you through everything you need to know about this well-known broker. Libertex is a multi-asset platform offering access to stock trading, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more, using its user-friendly interface that both beginners and experienced traders can appreciate. Let's start with the key advantages of Libertex. The platform is known for its low spreads, which means you can trade without worrying about huge commissions. It also provides leverage on different asset classes, allowing you to maximize your positions and potentially increase your returns. Libertex's platform also offers a variety of assets including stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, giving traders plenty of options to diversify their portfolios. But there are some drawbacks to consider. One of the downsides is that Libertex doesn't offer a wide range of technical analysis tools compared to other platforms. For advanced traders who rely on detailed charts and data, this might be a limitation. Additionally, depending on where you are, withdrawal fees can be higher than expected, and the options for withdrawing funds are somewhat limited. Despite these cons, Libertex has built a solid reputation over its many years in the business and continues to attract traders from all over the world. The service is especially useful for beginner traders, as its straightforward and easy-to-understand interface makes it easier to get started in the complex world of financial markets. The platform also offers educational tools, but it's more suited for those who prefer a simplified trading experience over highly technical features. Now, while we're talking about brokers, let me briefly mention something. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBD offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBD, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Returning to Libertex, the pricing structure is one of the most appealing aspects. While there are no traditional spreads on some assets, the fees are included in the commission. For example, instead of charging you a spread, the difference between buy and sell price, Libertex charges a small commission on trades, which many traders find more transparent. You can easily calculate your costs upfront, which adds predictability to your trading process. Libertex also offers a demo account, which is perfect for those who want to test out strategies without risking real money. You can practice and learn the platform at your own pace, making it easier to get comfortable before you start trading with real funds. As far as customer service goes, Libertex provides a variety of ways to get in touch, including live chat and email support. Response times are typically fast, though some users have noted that getting more technical issues resolved can sometimes take longer. Overall, it's a reliable platform, but I'd recommend making sure it has all the tools you need before fully committing. For those of you looking to copy successful traders and streamline your trading journey, start copying top traders and boost your investment game now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and join me in upcoming videos for more in-depth trading reviews and strategies.